Good morning, my dear friends. See now we shall go to the another problem now. Okay, the figure shows a tendon profile ACEDB. Okay, provided for a PSC beam. The tendon being tensioned from end A. Baba, I will show you the figure afterwards. Just try to understand this problem now. Okay, in a sense now there is a cable of profile ACEDB and it is tensioned from end A. Calculate the percentage loss of pre-stress due to friction from the end A to end B. Okay, take mu is equal to, he says 0.3, mu he has given, K value he has given 0.15 per 100 meter. Okay, and stress in the tendon at A is 1050 Newton per m square. Okay, so now let us try to understand this problem now, what he says. Okay, see now. But now what he has given in the problem is now, okay, it is this. Please try to understand now. Okay, here is a precious concrete beam in which he has laid the cable ACEDB. Okay, see now, from A to C it is straight, C to D it is a parabolic, and D to B again it is straight. Okay, I hope you understood it. So now A to C it is straight, CED portion it is a parabolic, and D to B it is straight. Okay, so now at end A he has applied a precessing force of 1050 Newton per m square. Okay, and he has asked you to find out the loss at B. Oh sir, now so now you will see that whenever we want to go for the solution, now you know that, okay, in AC portion, if I take AC portion, but now here the loss will be due to wobbling effect only. Am I right now? Because it is straight. Now, in CED portion, since the cable is parabolic, here the loss is due to wobbling effect as well as curvature effect. Am I right now? And in DB portion, okay, since it is straight, again it is only a wobbling effect. Okay, so now we shall now take up portion AC. Portion AC I will take up now. Portion AC. Okay, see now, here the loss is due to length effect or the wobbling effect. Okay, length effect or wobbling effect is given by Kx into stress at A. Am I right now? This is the jacking end. Okay, stress at A, or it is the initial precessing force into Kx. Baba, K I know, K value he has given 0.15 per 100 meter. So per meter it will become 0.0015. Okay, X is, now I want to calculate the stress at C point. Okay, at C the length is 4 meter. Am I right? So X is 4 meter and stress at A is 1050. So now it will give me 6.3 Newton per m square. In the sense, but now here he has applied a precessing force of 1050 Newton per m square. By the time I come here, okay, out of this 1050, this much will be lost. 6.3 will go. Okay, so now can I find out the stress at C now? Stress at C is this stress minus the loss. Am I right now? So stress at C is 1050 minus the loss. Loss is 6.3. So it will give me 1043.7 Newton per mm square. So now this stress becomes the initial stress here now. Okay, now I will go to now CD portion. CD, I want to calculate the loss in CD portion. Okay, see now, in CD portion, since it is curved, Baba, here both due to wobbling effect or length effect and curvature effect, both will be now there. The loss is due to both. Okay, so the equation is now mu x plus kx into stress at C, because now this precessing stress will be the initial stress for this portion. Am I right now? So stress at C, just now we have found stress at C is 1043.7. Okay, so equation is mu alpha plus kx into stress at C. Mu I know, alpha, Baba, now he has given here now in the problem, it is a 0.12 he has given. Okay, alpha I know, K we have we know it. X is again 4 meter. X is now from here to here. Okay, because this is your initial point now. Okay, from here to here, the loss I am now calculating. So this length is 4 meter again. Okay, so that length is 4 meter, and stress at C is 1043.7. Okay, so that will give me the loss as 43.83 Newton per mm square. Am I right now? So now, by the time we come from here to here, the loss is 43.83. So now, see now, I know the stress here. If at all I want to find out the stress here now, okay, it is a stress here minus this much loss. Am I right now? It will give me the stress at D. Am I right? So the same thing we have done. Stress at D is 1043.7 minus this loss. Okay, it will give me 999.86 Newton per mm square. Okay, in a sense, 999.86 Newton per mm square is the stress available at point D. Okay, understood? Now I will go for this dB portion now. Baba, in this dB portion, you know that since it is a straight cable here now, only wobbling effect will be now there, or only length effect will be now there. Okay, so now portion dB, here the loss due to length effect, it is given by kx into stress at D. Okay, k I know, x again but now from here to here, it is now 4 meter, and stress at D, just now we have found stress at D is 999.86. Okay, so you will get this much, 6 Newton per mm square is the loss. So now, if at all you want to find stress at B, okay, it is this stress minus this loss. Am I right now? So stress at B is 999.86 minus the loss is 6. So it will give me 998.86 or 994 Newton per mm square. See now, but now, in a sense, by the time I come here, the stress in the cable is 994 Newton per mm square. Okay, you are applied here at this end, you are applied 1050 Newton per mm square. Now here it is now 994. So but now this minus this will give me the total loss from here to here. Am I right now? So now, if at all I want to find out the loss of pre-stress from A to B, it is a 1050 minus 994. So it is 56 Newton per mm square. So now, if at all I want to convert it into percentage loss of pre-stress, it is 56 is the loss. This loss will take place if I apply a pre-stressing force of 1050 into 100 to convert it into percentage. Okay, so it will give me 5.4 percentage. Okay, so the loss from here to here is 5.4%. Okay, so now this is how this problem can be now tackled. Otherwise, in simple, if at all you want to calculate, Baba, this problem, whatever I have shown, it is the detailed calculation. If at all you want to find roughly, Baba, even you can assume that, now from here to here, the cable is curved. You can assume that from here to here, the cable is curved, and you can solve this. See now, here I have solved that in only one step. Okay, see now, this can be solved as follows also. Okay, loss from A to B. Loss from A to B here is now, okay, mu alpha plus kx into initial stress at A. Okay, so mu I know, alpha I know, k I know, x is now from here to here. From here to here, x becomes now 4 plus 4 plus 4. 12 it is now. 12 is your x. Am I right now? K you know, x is 12 into initial stress at A is 1050. So it will become 56.7 Newton per mm square. Okay, in sense, this is only approximately. Earlier, when you calculate it accurately, the loss was 56. Okay, loss was 56 from A to B, and here approximately it is now 56.7. So this is how you can calculate roughly also. But in the examination, don't do this. Okay, go for, if at all the problem is asked, you have to do part by part. Okay, thank you very much, my dear friends.